Now, I'm going to share my thoughts on serverless architecture. The development of cloud computing can be divided into three phases. In the Cloud 1.0, the cloud mainly provided basic services such as compute, storage, and network. This was a resource-centric area. In the Cloud 2.0, cloud-native technologies became the key, with widespread use of containers, microservices, DevOps, and declarative APIs. This was an application-centric area and facilitated the development of services in the cloud. Now, we are in the Cloud 3.0, where serverless and distributed cloud play important roles. The event-driven serverless application architecture helps customers build modern applications that do not sense resources, are extremely elastic, and are free from operation and maintenance. Serverless means that your services are unaware of underlying resources, allowing developers to focus on the service innovation. Different people have different understanding of serverless. I will introduce serverless from two aspects. First, in the terms of computing architecture, it has evolved from a VM to container to serverless, increasing resource utilization. Second, in terms of application architecture, it has evolved from a monolithic to service-oriented architecture to microservices and then to serverless, increasing automation. Serverless is a natural evolution of both computing architecture and application architecture. Therefore, this convergence is of great significance. According to the development trends of serverless, the user penetration rate will increase from 30% to 80% by 2026. In the past, application and scenarios were mainly outside China. However, from this year, there has been a significant increase in serverless requirements within China. The autoscaling efficiency will accelerate from seconds to milliseconds. Serverless will become the primary cloud delivery mode in the next 5 to 15 years. Microservice-based application features resource-level granularity, RPC communication, second-level elasticity, hour-level release, and unified operation maintenance. Serverless applications are event-driven and provide feature, function-level granularity, millisecond-level elasticity, minute-level release, and no-ops. In the future, applications will be built directly on the cloud. Microservice-based applications will gradually evolve to serverless, and these two types of applications will coexist for a long time. Embracing the serverless development trend, Huawei Cloud is developing full-stack, all-scenario serverless capabilities, and will preferentially promote and implement them in scenarios such as audio and video, data processing, IoT, and device-side applications. In addition, it will also promote serverless reconstruction of related services. This year, we will preferentially launch Function Graph 2.0, CIE, Event Grid, and ADM. We have also an end-to-end monitoring capabilities in server development tools. Finally, we are building a comprehensive serverless application ecosystem in terms of front-end triggers and back-end as a service. Function Graph 2.0 is a new generation function computing and orchestration services. Incubated in Huawei 2012 labs, is able to provide deep integration with Cloud IDE, concurrent debugging of multiple functions, tracing, wizard-based function application building, and full lifecycle management, zip types of programming languages, and customized runtime, cold start within 100 milliseconds, and millisecond-level autoscaling. Stateful functions being the first of its kind in China, and visualized function orchestration. Serverless web applications with zero reconstruction. At the 2021 Trusted Cloud Summit, Function Graph won the advanced platform in China for its serverless capabilities. The serverless toolchain provides the following advanced capabilities. App development, Cloud IDE is ready to use. It allows full link tracing and commissioning across clustered serverless apps. Code breakpoints, stack viewing, tracing topology, and hot code replacement are supported. Release and operation maintenance monitoring. Serverless lightweight DevOps capabilities are available. They include continuous delivery tools, which are integrated with the serverless runtime services, and app operation and maintenance monitoring tool. End-to-end management. It allows serverless apps lifecycle management. Apps can be quickly experienced and shared to the marketplace, and reused throughout templates. Cloud Application Engine is a serverless app hosting engine for simplified hosting and governance. Pre-configured runtimes and serverless resources will free your developer from infrastructure operation and maintenance. Apps can be quickly deployed in minutes and automatically scaled depending on traffic. High concurrency and high availability are supported. Users are billed based on usage, largely reducing the cost. Now, let me introduce what is Event Grid. Event Grid is a serverless event bus, which transforms apps from being an API call driven to being event driven. In future, we foresee there will be more apps that are built based on event driven architecture, becoming fully decoupled and asynchronous. Event Grids enables lifecycle management and support cloud's event standards. Event storage is extendable by plugins. The service is also supporting Huawei cloud services, traditional apps, cloud-native apps, and partner SaaS apps. There are three major types of serverless applications. First, single-purpose, stateless apps. These apps can be delivered within hours by using functions that simplify the development process. Second, event-driven apps, which are most of the typical serverless apps. The layer interconnecting this app is implemented by using functions. Third is the apps that require autoscaling, such as those for video transcoding, live streaming, and hovered event paths. The underlying infrastructure is invisible to end users, and resources can be automatically and quickly scaled to adapt to unpredictable changes in traffic without affecting the service layer. I would like to end this presentation by sharing some thoughts on serverless. First, serverless is a large ecosystem, and we hope to build it together with partners. Second, Huawei Cloud has provided hosting and governance capabilities that are container and application and function-oriented based on different service requirements. We find that there is a lot of common among these capabilities, so we want to build a unified hosting and governance base. Huawei Cloud hopes to build full-stack capabilities for all the scenarios and provide users with a simple and consistent experience. To this end, we need to transform Huawei Cloud advanced services toward a serverless so they can be better integrated into the serverless ecosystem. Thank you.